my friend, this is Lexi from Hebei Baofeng Steel Structure. We are the direct manufacturer for steel structure warehouse, factories, workshops, sports courts, hotels, shopping malls, also the poultry sheets and the car sheets, also prefab house. We established in 2005. For now, overseas projects have 16 years. We've been doing projects over 100 countries. For example, Algeria, Ethiopia, Zimbabwe, Cameroon, DR Congo, the Philippines, Fiji, Australia, etc. Behind me is my workshop 1, 2, 3. And with 3 workshops, also with the loading area, our company total is 200,000 square meter land area. And with the production capability is 200,000 tons per year. And for now, I'd like to show my kingdom. Here we are in the steel plates raw material storage area. All the material come to our factory after the 100% inspection. If it is qualified, then go with here for the production. If not qualified, it will be returned. Based in Hebei province makes us getting the best raw material from the steel mill, and we offer the best steel price to our client. On my right side is the steel plates. Steel plates after inspection and go with the production. And with this CC control, the cutting machine. In this cutting machine, we cut into each exactly precise steel plates. Make sure for the next H-beam assemble. This machine is controlled by CNC, not manual. And then with the flame cutting to make the cutting precise and smooth. A good fitment for the next step of the H-beam assembly. You can see behind me is the assembling, welding, and correction machine. This is a welding robot. We got the latest machine from last year. But we have 2 of this machine. This machine makes the assembling, welding, and the correction in one time. Makes the production time is shorter than before, around 2 times faster. And for these 2 machines, guarantee us makes the delivery on time. Even your project is in very urgent delivery, we can help you with that. Then let's see the welding work of the welding robot. See, the welding is very smooth and no crack, make it fully welded. You know, the H-beam assembly, the first consideration is fully welded, smooth, and make sure the strength is guaranteed. We can see the details. How we make sure the manufacturing structure on job site will be installed perfectly, no error. Here comes with the production, stop in the production. The H-beams assembled, then come to the next step of the cutting. The cutting will be required very precisely cutting, then you can assemble freely on the job site. Here you can see we have 2 machines, the marking machine and the cutting machine. The marking machine will mark for each area where we need to cut and where we need to welding the secondary steel plates. And then push to the cutting machine. The cutting machine will cut by the measurements marked already. This process makes sure the marking and the welding is precise, no errors. And the most important thing is these 2 areas, no manual, all controlled by machine, makes the production time very short and more precise. Here we have a look for the cutting area. You see this is L-tip cutting. And this is not directly cutting. The cutting is very precise and it makes the cutting very smooth. This will be better for the later joints of the 2 parts together. Make the welding of the secondary plates will be better tied together. How to make the steel plate? The manufactured steel connect to the wire on the job site. The second one is connection plates and the boards location drilling. Behind me is the drilling machine for the connection plates, the foundation high strength board cord, even the common board joint cord is all drilled here. followed by the CNC machine put the date in a precise drilling. They make sure each part connected very well on the Here have a look for the steel plates after drilling. Each column, each board for the columns connection. And later, the quality control will come here check with the measurements and the size, distance, one by manual with the manufacturer design. This makes sure each measurement and the clip will be perfect match for each part. After the cutting area, then go to the second process. The second process we call it secondary welding. For this process, the connect will welding with the connector plate. For example, the foundation the column basement plate, the reinforcement plate, and the pulling connection plate will be welded on this stage. After this stage, four beams and the column welding and the cutting production is finished. For each column, each product, in every process we'll do 100 quality control. After quality control, we'll do inspection for each element by manual, one by one check, 100%. You can see for this, when you make sure each distance of the hole and the column is in process in the right way. This 100% quality control makes solve all the problems in the production line area. Make sure all the parts go to job site can be assembled perfectly. After all the cutting, assembling, welding, and then finish the columns and the beams, we will go to the next step. Next step is for anti-rust painting protection. And before the anti-rust painting, we will be shorting blasting to clean the rust on the steel. And this is a shorting blasting machine. This machine used with the steel grades to high speed paint the steel column. Make sure all the rust being cleaned very well and offer a better adhesive performance for the anti-rust painting. Then we can have a look how the product after the shorting blasting. All the rust will be cleaned and very clean. It's okay for the anti-rust painting. And here we come to the last step of the H-beam production, the anti-rust painting. For this process, anti-rust painting we do in 3 layers, and the thickness are more than 100 micrometer, and offered a very good performance for the anti-rust painting. Here you can have a look. For the storage of the galvanized steel plates and the color sheets raw material storage. Those rows are for the color sheets. It's for the roof panels manufacture, the raw material, and later will bending with the machine. And those are for the galvanized steel plates. Are the raw material for the pulling. After later will bending with the machine to the precise size, and each atom with a different weight, then make manufacture for the different size. For the pulling size can be 140 to 220. Here we are in the production for the simple, and with the manufacturing join this machine with cutting, folding, cutting, and drilling in one time. All the galvanized steel plate come to this machine, and then bending, cutting, and drilling with the finish when the finished location for the boards to connect it with the structure. And this is very fast production. After that, it will be manual mark for each part for client to make sure which area to put in the structure. And here is how the purlins packed. The purlins are packed with a steel belt for each plate. Steel belt packed together in each package and combined together with the steel crates together for the shipping and loading. And here we can see each package will have a shipping mark for how many pieces and which area and the length will marked clearly on this ship marking, and on job site you can find it easily. And behind me are the machines for the wall and roof panel bending machine. All the wall and roof panels will be manufactured here, each with a color sheets, and going with this machine bending to the tip we need. V840 roof panel and V100 wall panel, all bending in this area.